Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to make Nutella stuffed cookies. It's amazing how such a simple technique can take a standard cookie dough and transfer it into something amazing. But it can, so let's start making it. First prepare your Nutella filling. For that, dropping Nutella by 1 teaspoon size dollop onto butter paper. If you want more Nutella, you can take 2 teaspoons of Nutella dollops. Place in freezer to harden while you prepare your cookie dough. For the cookie dough, I have taken half a cup of melted butter. Add regular and brown sugar into the butter and stir well. Add 1 whole egg and 1 yolk into this material. Add vanilla and stir. I am using electric beater, but you can also do it with your hands. Beat it until it becomes little fluffy and lighter in color. After it, sift flour, baking soda and salt together. After sifting the flour, add flour mixture to the butter mixture, stirring until ingredients are completely combined. After combining the mixture, add your finely chopped chocolate bar and stir well. Chill dough in refrigerate for 2 hours or for overnight. Remove frozen Nutella from freezer and cookie dough from refrigerate. At any point the Nutella becomes too sticky and hard to work with, return to freezer at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Scoop dough by heaping 1.5 tablespoon sized. And press frozen Nutella dollop into the center from around Nutella until it is completely concealed, and roll into an even ball. Place cookie dough at least 2 inches apart on a butter paper lined sheet. Bake it for 12 to 14 minutes at 180 centigrade in preheated oven or until its edges are just beginning to turn golden brown. Allow cookie to cool completely on a baking sheet before removing. These cookies are so good. These are made very soft and chewy. Thanks for watching for my videos. See you in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.